Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, failed to load PDF document in Chrome browser. Click Customize and control Google Chrome. Click About Google Chrome. Make sure, Google Chrome is up to date updated. Second method is, click Customize and control Google Chrome. Click Settings. Click Advanced Settings. Click Content Settings. Click PDF Documents. Turn off, download PDF files instead of automatically opening them in Chrome. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.